Hi guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Taylor and I make all sorts of cleaning content here on this channel. Today's video is a relaxing clean with me, just really casual, really easy. We can't always get everything done in one day. Right now, I'm going to be really honest with you, I have a crib and a pack and play full of laundry that needs to be folded. So I definitely did not get it all done this past weekend, but I did get some stuff done, so I wanted to share that with you and hope to encourage you in your not being able to do it all the time. You know what I mean? So right now I am unloading the groceries that I bought for the weekend. We had a really cold snowstorm coming in, and we live in Texas, so we're not used to driving in the snow. We're not used to cold weather really at all, so we kind of had to prepare for it. And so right now I'm just putting everything away, but you guys, this day was a rough day. I'm about to tell you something kind of gross, so hopefully you stay on this video and still come back to my channel. But we live like way out in the country, and we aren't on like city water or whatever, so we have a septic tank, and the cold weather outside made like the grease, like cooking grease or whatever that was in it, get hardened, and we had some backup issues in our bathroom. I'm just gonna leave it at that. So I look like a mess here, and I will look like a mess in the next clip, because it was just it was something that I hope we don't have to experience again. But thankfully it was a quick and easy fix, and there was nothing like super wrong or anything like that. Anyway, I'm not going to talk forever. This is probably all that I'm going to talk, actually. So I'm just cleaning the kitchen. All I'm doing in this video is cleaning like our downstairs living area. And also I feel like I need to say that my husband was wearing that shirt as a joke, and he doesn't actually dress that way. I'm done talking. I'm going to let you guys just sit back and relax and watch this and get all the motivation you need. Alright, you guys, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed. I hoped it was encouraging, and now you want to go do all of the cleaning things that you wanted to do. Also, look how freaking cute my baby is. Oh my goodness. If you enjoyed this and if it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you feel like any of my future videos could serve you in some way, I would love if you subscribe to my channel and just stuck around. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye!